In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Gamma I. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video on a Gamma card, whether you're uploading a file, embedding from YouTube, or pasting a link, and how to size and present it so it looks polished. First, head to gamma@gamma.app and log in. Open an existing presentation or start fresh by selecting Create New. You'll be working inside a deck made up of cards, which function like slides. Everything we do next happens on a card. Add a new card by choosing Platisi Add Card. Pick a layout that suits your content, or start with a blank card if you want full control. This card is where your video will live, so choose something that leaves room for your media and any supporting text. Now let's add the video. If you have a file on your computer, use the upload method. Click Insert, then Media, choose Upload, and select your video file. Wait for the upload to complete before moving on. This option is perfect for personal recordings or clips you've exported. For smoother playback, shorter clips and common formats like MP4 tend to work best. If your video is on YouTube, embedding is quick. Copy the video's link from YouTube. Back in Gamma, click Insert, then Embed, paste the link, and choose Insert. The video will appear directly on your card with a built-in player. Make sure the YouTube video is set to public or unlisted so your audience can view it without issues. There's also a fast, direct method. Simply paste a supported video link right into the card. Gamma will automatically convert it into an embedded player. This is great when you're moving quickly and don't need additional formatting up front. Once the video appears, resize and position it. Click the video, drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and move it anywhere on the card. Keep the aspect ratio intact to avoid distortion, and use the card's guides to align it neatly with your text and images. Customize how it's displayed by adjusting the layout. Center it for focus, go full width for impact, or place it side by side with text to add context. You can add headings, captions, or supporting bullets and images to frame the video and guide your audience. Preview your work by clicking Present, then play the video inside the slide to confirm it loads and sounds right. This is the best moment to check pacing and readability. When you're ready to share, click Share to send a link or present directly from Gamma.